In this video, I want to show you how to create a replica of a database on a server. So to create a replica, you might want to have a offline copy so that you can view the information offline, maybe edit information, add records or documents, and then when your computer is able to see the server again, it can synchronize all of that information, so it can add anything that you've added, delete anything that you may have deleted, and basically do all the things that you would have expected to have been able to do on the server. Some applications aren't so friendly offline just because of the way the developers may have developed some stuff that refers or references a particular server. But the majority of cases, you'll find that it works well offline. So to do it, I've got this database on my screen at the moment, which is a server-based database. And to create a replica, or a copy, or a synchronized copy if you want to call it that, offline, all I have to do is go to File, Replication, and I click on New Replica. Now just before I go any further ahead, some people may find that they don't have these options available, and if you're one of those people, you just go to View, okay, and this is the same as Windows as it is on an Apple Mac like I'm using now. And you see this one here that says Advanced Menus. Make sure that that's ticked if you can't see what I'm talking about. So just going back to it again, click on File, Replication, and click on New Replica. Now it comes up with a new replica or create replica dialog box. You can see the name of it, so we don't need to change that, we leave that as is. Now the server, it'll say local, which is my local machine. Okay, so I'll have that on my laptop or whatever I'm using. And a file path and in the file name, so it's got the name of the file here. Now I may already have a database with that name on my machine. I can change that if I like, because it actually relies on what's called a replica ID rather than the file name. So you can change that and you can file it wherever you want to file it. Cancel for the time being, and then it's got replica settings. So it's got things like encryption. So if you want to encrypt it, you have to use the ID file that you made the replica with to actually be able to open it and see the information. So just bear that in mind. If you use multiple ID files, you'll find that one of those ID files may not be able to get in. So if it's not too sensitive, the information, I just take that tick off. Okay, you can create a full text index for searching. You might want to do that, and that'll just make it quicker for you to search and give you a little bit more search functionality. And when you want to do it, you can do it in the background, or you can create it immediately. So you can go say create immediately, and all I've got to do is click on OK. Has a little bit of a think about it. In this case, it's taken me to the replication screen. It may not do, but it has for me in this case, and I can see this database here, administration request, and if I look down here, I can see it doing its thing, and it will create a replica. Okay, now you make use of the Lotus Notes workspace. So if I go back there, I've got it open at the moment, I should see that it's got it on local. Click this little button here, it shows me all the other servers that a replica of this database appears on. Okay, so I got local, I can get it off 3 other servers as well. And that's how easy it is to create a replica of a database onto your local client.